If your curiosity looks like a black hole, you're a true space enthusiast. Ready to dive into the unknown? Black holes, one of the universe's most fascinating mysteries. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about these cosmic giants. First, black holes don't suck like a vacuum. They warp space-time with immense gravity. Second, nothing escapes a black hole, not even light. That's why they appear black. Third, black holes come in all sizes, from small stellar mass ones to supermassive giants at galaxy centers. Fourth, the closest known black hole, Gaia BH1, is just 1,600 light-years away in our cosmic neighborhood. Fifth, time slows down near a black hole due to extreme gravity. It's like a real-life time machine. Sixth, black holes can spaghettify objects, stretching them into long, thin strands. Seventh, when black holes merge, they create ripples in space-time called gravitational waves. Eighth, in 2019 we captured the first-ever image of a black hole in the M87 galaxy. Ninth, black holes can evaporate over trillions of years thanks to Hawking radiation. Lastly, there might be a supermassive black hole at the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Mind-blowing, right? If you love space mysteries, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.